it's Carla Clayton here, the Wellness Lady. I help busy professionals create a healthier life, home, and business one small change at a time. One of the things that really saves me a lot of time is to buy all my wellness products from one store, my own store. And by doing that, I'm able to save time and I'm able to save money because I know the secrets to saving 15 to 50% off. But I wanted to share with you what was in my wellness box this month. So this is my July box, and I really have a lot of food in here, a lot of groceries. So I want to tell you, my lifestyle is all about keeping it simple. So I have the same thing for breakfast every day. I have a smoothie with the wonderful Life Shake. This month I ordered the plant protein rich chocolate. I want to try this. It's a new formulation. I also have in here another one. I got two of those. And, oh, I know, because I ordered that for somebody. Strawberry soy protein. Now, I love the soy protein. To me, it just tastes delicious. It really helps with hot flashes, balancing hormones. It's good for preventing breast cancer. It's just a really, really great product. What else have I got in my box? So I have the snack bar. So I was going to tell you, breakfast is the same every day. It's a smoothie or something that I make with a smoothie. I mean, you can make muffins with it, pancakes, all kind of good stuff. Lunch, I have almost every day a meal in the bar. It takes 15 seconds and I've got lunch. So 2 of my meals every day are covered. So I have enough bars for every day, and that's lunch for both of these are about $3 or less at regular price per meal. And as I told you, I'm getting them for less than that. Now, I also like to fill in my nutrition gaps with multivitamins and my anti-aging supplements. So one of the things that's in my little daily strip that I take every day is an anti-aging supplement called Vivix. And it's incredible. It must work because people do not believe it when I tell them how old I am, that I'm in the over 50 club. I have a probiotic in here. This one has 10 billion colony forming units, and it's tested to survive the stomach acid, to actually get into the intestine where it needs to. And that's what you want. I got some catalogs so I can share my shop your own store concept and invite people to shop my store. I also have in here MindWorks. This helps with focus and clarity and helps prevent age-related dementia. And then Easy Gest. This is an incredible product. As we get older, we need a little bit of aid with our digestion to help start breaking down the food for us. And that is it. So that's my wellness box. If you have any questions about anything in this month's wellness box, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to share it with you. And if you want to know how you can save 15 to over 50% on your wellness products, just let me know. Send me a message. Take care and have an amazing day. And be sure to stop by my website, wellnesslady.com. Bye-bye.